Yo, what's good, YouTube? Gang, it's your boy Jambisco. We're back in the music club with another hit and smashing out. Bang, I know people, you already know what time it is. Yeah, man, they're back in the music club to the people. Yeah, man, and today we're there with the artists that we check out a few times. You know what I'm saying? Wouldn't say he's a stranger, wouldn't say he's a. We check him out a few times. I'm going to check him out again today. He dropped a new song entitled Porridge. We're going to see him deal with. That is a new up and coming artist. I haven't heard anybody really talk about all like that or any, you know. But his music is growing, his page is growing. You see me? So you heard about him and the dog's kind of cool, you know what I'm saying? His name is Skippa. We're checking out and see him deal with. You don't know, guys. But before we jump into that, if you're new to the channel, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button, join the Vibe Job, the family. We're only 17 away from 2K, and once we 2K, we're going straight to 10K. We ain't stopping at 5K. And you don't know, Dan Mafia clapping yourself, yo. I appreciate all y'all been showing love lately. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I have been showing love always. Y'all been active in the likes, active in the comments. I appreciate that. You know what I'm saying? Keeping the like. That's how that's how the music get out of my videos get out there. And my channel can grow. So help your boy out. You know what I'm saying? So hit that like and subscribe button. Yeah, man. You don't know, guys. Yeah, man. We're back in the vibes. This one named Skippa. We check out a couple songs from Skippa before, and the vibe different. You know what I'm saying? I forgot the tune we checked out last time for him. And I'm sure I probably have that right down, you know, but you know what I'm saying? Skippa been doing his thing. You know, he's an up and coming artist. I'm gonna check out another song from him today entitled Porridge. You see me? So we're not gonna hold up the vibe much longer. I'm gonna jump right in there. This is Skippa Porridge. Let's get it.
Yo, bless entertainment. My time, man. Yeah. Them I say them thing. Yeah.
Go on, come in.
And them I say them thing tough. Check it out, boy, soft like porridge. Married to the game, see the money in my forehead. Big me, me never got college. Baba push it big piece, and I never nothing average. Don't tell them a dog, me not stop. Thank God the day me start chop. Man a jagger if she ain't up, me call in her back. She ain't up.
I say, yo, then say them tough, well, check it out and stuff like porridge. Okay, so that's where the title come from, what do you mean?
Calling her, dog, another skull on my phone. Now tell me bro, me do this alone. Prefer the extra for the girl, and me touch on the tool. Making money, I'ma do this from home, dog.
So making money and do this from home. You know what I'm saying? That working from home, yeah?
Got this Skippa bingo again. One more phone call, I'm gone for the Benz. Don't know I'm mother ass, I'ma touch that spend. Yo, bless him, still attack, me don't know none of them, yeah. Chopping our game. One call, then nothing was the same. I feel left it on the road, it can't fit in our lane. And then my brick, I can't fold my money.
I say, I feel left it on the road, it can't fit in our lane. Big blood clear whip, eh? Big spaceship, portal on them.
Give me back pain, dog, yeah. A chopping ice in. A couple CC dropping I been I just a vibe, not the money make a chopper start sing, yeah. Go and see I make it mad, and them I say them thing tough. Check it out, boy, soft like porridge.
Yo. No, I say them thing tough. When they check it out, I porridge them. To them. Understand, boy?
Married to the game, see the money in my forehead. Big me, me never got college. Baba push it big piece, and I never nothing average.
Yeah, man. Me like Skippa for Skippa vibe. You know what I'm saying? He be chilling. You know what I'm saying? He don't look like a real, like he be scam for real. You know what I'm saying? So, but we don't know much about Skippa that going in that game. You know what I'm saying? He been doing his thing, man. Check out the last reaction I did from Skippa. You're probably gonna like that song as well, so check out that.
Don't tell him a dog, me not stop. Thank God the day me start chop. Man a jagger if she ain't up, me call in her back. She ain't up, me call in her. Yeah, me say I sing but scam too much. I'm if I stop with my bank book piling up. A man a dopey as
I say me sing but scam too much. I'm if I stop with my bank book a pile up, yeah? Huh?
Wake man isling up. My scholar dead and is a will man signing up. Dog, so call her again.
So the scholar dead and I will him a sign. That they don't play the like easy the one.
Dogs on the ball, I'm a friend, me check a job like bombs as my wake is a 10. As my wake is a 10. If you know, USD man, no cap. No lie. Nothing they not gonna understand, so. Hello, Mr. Fire chopper music we make. Blue boy. Fucking scumbag.
Scumbag.
What did you do now? Boop in the head, man.
boop in the head, easy. You know, like yeah man, Skippa, Porridge, yeah man. I fuck with Skippa that. Skippa do him thing. Young artist, let me know if you know Skippa. You see me, let me know what the song you want me to check out from him. You know what I'm saying? If you like it, definitely go show that song love and support me. You know, say Jambisco dance. Senior. You know what I'm saying? Yeah man. And yeah, definitely whatever you want me to react to next, let me know. You know what I'm saying? If your request is chosen, you will definitely get your shout out, all that, and you're gonna see your comments. You don't know. Yeah man, that's a vibe. Yeah, Skippa do him thing. You know what I'm saying? So yeah guys, we don't know. We're growing strong over here. Let me know what you want me to react to next, and I'll get it done. You know what I'm saying? We're on the road to 2K. I'm 17 away from 2K, so hit the like and subscribe button. Yeah, see me? Yeah, man. Every boy, yeah, once we 2K, we road to 10K. You don't know, we ain't stopping. You know, I can't take over this thing. You know what I'm saying? This it's a vibe. You know what I'm saying? I just like making these videos. And I enjoyed making these videos. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate y'all tuning in and all that. So, yeah, hit the like and subscribe button. Until next time, you don't know. It's a boy, Jambisco. I was here now, hitting and smashing a banger. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. And I'm out.